Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to start by confirming essentials. Sign into your Google account and update the Google app. Once done, open the Google app and grant microphone, location, and notification permissions so the assistant can hear and act. Next, tap More, then Settings, then Google Assistant to begin configuration. You'll be guided through voice match and language selection so the assistant recognizes you. Make sure to speak clearly during voice training. This first pass gets basic access and lets you issue simple voice commands immediately. Now customize how Google Assistant behaves on your tablet. You should set preferred languages and complete voice match if you want personalized results. This improves recognition. Then configure routines to automate morning or bedtime tasks, connect smart home devices under home control, and create shortcuts for frequent actions. Make sure default media and navigation apps are chosen so commands open the apps you use. While doing this, test a few commands after each change so you confirm the assistant responds exactly how you expect. To complete setup, run a set of test commands. Ask for the weather, set an alarm, and control a smart light to confirm end-to-end operation. Once satisfied, enable Hey Google hot word detection and background listening so the assistant responds hands-free. Make sure battery settings allow background activity. If something fails, reboot the tablet, verify microphone permissions and battery optimizations, and update the Google app. If recognition still misfires, re-record voice match. This often fixes persistent voice recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.